So LED flashing program execution. We'll write a LED program using Kill software and then we'll download it on the microcontroller kit and we'll observe the output. This is the interfacing diagram for interfacing of LED as per the kit. The reset terminal circuit is shown here and this crystal oscillator of 11.0592 megahertz is connected here between this XTAL1 and XTAL2 and port 2 is used to connect the LEDs. So here it is shown port 2, but we can connect any port. You can change it to port 1, port 0 also. This is the buffer IC 74244. So it is used to if neglect the loading effect of this peripheral device on the microcontroller. So this is the actual kit. Here we can connect any uh, port to this LED bank. Here keyboard is also shown, but now we are using only LEDs. So here we can connect any port to through this FRC cable. So these are the 8 LEDs, and here this buffer IC is used. So this is the interfacing kit. Program is to flash lower nibble and upper nibble LEDs continuously. LEDs are connected to port P2. So here first instruction is ORG0000H, which is assembler directive. So it indicates that the program should be written from address 000H. So ORG is assembler directive. First we'll send 0FH on port P2. So lower LEDs will 4 LEDs will glow and upper 4 LEDs connected at port 2 will be off. Then delay is called and after that on port P2 we'll send F0H. So upper LEDs will 4 LEDs will glow now and lower LEDs will turn off. Again we'll call a delay and program will be executed continuously. The delay program using register is written here. So first open kill software. So here it is already open. Then program is written, project is created. We already discussed here that in kill lecture. Build this program. Now if error is 0, now click on project. Go to options for target. Then click on output and this create hex file should be checked. So again build the program. So hex file is created now. You can minimize this and now we want to download a program. So connect your board 8051 board and to check at which port this board is connected. Here you can type device driver and in device driver here we can see USB serial port COM3 is used for the 8051 board. Now to download a program, here I am using SST Flash software, but you can use Flash Magic also. So here since in kit SST device is used, this particular device we have to select. Then port we have to select, it is COM3 port and baud rate. So generally we are selecting 9600 baud rate. So select device, COM port and baud rate and download a program. So here this option, download option is used and now we have to check where is our hex file. So led.hex file is created in object directory that we have to select and click OK. So after clicking this S, it will erase the sector, memory and download a program. So depend upon your software, you will get this option. but procedure is same for all type of software. So now program is downloaded in the board. We'll see how the program will be executed. This is 8051 board. USB cable is used to download a program. We have downloaded program and plus 5 volt supply is connected using adapter. This is peripheral kit where 8 LEDs are connected. FRC cable is used to connect port, and after downloading a program, here we can observe flashing of lower and upper nibble continuously.